Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government is prepared to intervene if more Jamaicans continue to find it hard to find food to eat. Mr. Holness labeled the crisis as present due to the rising prices and unavailability. The latest figures from the Bank of Jamaica indicate that inflation was 11.8%. That is a clear indication that more Jamaicans are finding it hard to afford food.
If bad come to worse, we must still be able to put food on our table. So yes, the government has to respond with some social welfare program. Minister Clark has announced several such programs, one of them in partnership with faith-based organizations and civil society to ensure that we can give food to those who are in need, whether it is through a grant or some form of subsidized food packages. But that program is already underway and budgeted for. It may be, Minister Clark, that we will have to increase it and increase our targeting so that we get to the people who actually need it.